What's up, guys, and welcome to this episode of the One Hit Wonder Thrift Series. Listen, yesterday I uploaded a video about when I was in a town about 25 minutes away and I found a bread maker and an air purifier machine. Well, last night when I was laying in bed, I was going through the comments on that video and someone mentioned that there was an item that I had picked up. It was a really high ticket resale item that I totally missed. So today I'm jumping in the Thriftmobile. I'm heading back out there 25 minutes to pick up this item. I already researched it. They only wanted a few bucks for it. And it is reselling currently for $75 to $80. So I'm going back there to pick it up. Hopefully it's still there. If it's not, well, we'll just eat that and call it a day. However, if it's there, that'll be pretty awesome. Let's get out there and see if we can find this item. All right, guys, so as we're driving into town, I want to just tell you that on the video that I posted yesterday, there was a piece of equipment, sports equipment or athletic equipment. It was a spine roller. Well, someone mentioned in the comments that it was worth some money, so I'm driving into town today. We're gonna see if we can find it. 25-minute drive, a bigger gamble than it was last time. If it's not there, kind of a waste. If it is there, it'll be worth it. If it's not there, we'll look for other stuff. If it is there, we'll look for other stuff just to see what we can find. I'm super pumped about it. All right, guys, so the item that we came here to get was not in the store. I'm super bummed about that. It was a good item. However, I thought, you know, let me walk around this store and research items that I'm not familiar with. That's what got me stuck in this situation in the first place, was not researching things that I'm not familiar with. So I found a bunch of golf clubs in the sports bin, or in the athletic stuff bin, whatever. And so I searched one of them out, just the pitching wedge, and turns out it's profitable. So they were $1.98 per club, and I was able to get them for $1.50 because it's 25% off today. I got 8 clubs, and all of them are selling between $18 through $20 to $25. Definitely locked in some profit there. Have no doubt that these will sell great. Just have to clean them up. They're a little bit dirty. The profit looks like it's there. There's a lot of sold comps, and it seems to be worth it. So, gonna get these home, get them cleaned up, get them sold. Overall, I'm not horribly disappointed with the day. I was able to get some profit. You know, if each club sells for $18 plus shipping, which is what they were selling for, 18 plus shipping, some of them a little bit more, then we're looking at approximately $180 to $200. And I got a pair of Vans, a pair of Nikes, and then 2 Shimano fishing shirts. The Shimano fishing shirts were $3 a piece with 25% off each shirt. And they have numerous sold comps for the $25 plus shipping range. So I will probably throw those up for 20 bucks plus shipping and get them out the door quickly. However, definitely a profitable day. All in all, I'm walking away from this day with more profit than I came here to get. But it's still a little bit painful. Like, I still wish that I would have gotten that thing that I came here to get, but it got away from me. I know for next time, and so do you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you on the next video.